In front of me is HTC U12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Device Connection right away. Then click on Pair New Device and click on Device Name at the top. Now it's time to type in wherever you want to. In my case, Sunny. When you finished, hit Rename in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!